Hi, welcome back to Nomad on Fire. Today we're going to discuss my favorite credit card for the Nomad on Fire lifestyle. It's very basic, very easy, but yet it's very profitable, at least for me. I think it could be for you in the right situation as well. What I'm talking about today is the Fidelity Visa rewards card. This is a pretty basic card. It's very easy on the rewards that it gives you. It gives you 2%, unlimited 2% back on everything you buy. It doesn't matter what category it falls in or anything, it's unlimited 2%. And what you can do with that 2% is you can put it into your Fidelity cash manage account or your brokerage account, your Roth IRA, your simple IRA, 401k. You can put it into any Fidelity account and then invest it into dividend stocks and make it grow. Or you can pay your balance with it. You can buy gift cards, travel, all kinds of different stuff like that with it. But I mainly use it to put it straight into my brokerage account. I was putting it into my Roth IRA, and sometimes I do, if I have a large amount going in, I'll put 50% in my Roth IRA, 50% in my brokerage account. I use this for a catch-all credit card. I have several different other credit cards. I'll go over them with you in the future that pay 3% on dining, 4% on gas, and 3% on travel and stuff like that. So I'll use those on that type of stuff. But this is my primary catch-all credit card, and I use it for my business. I put about $10,000 to $20,000 a month on it. So that's anywhere from $200 to $400 a month in income, non-taxable income at that, onto this card. And so I build my retirement account with this. And I mean, it's very convenient and so forth. Also, one thing you can do when you're traveling is you put your rewards into your cash management account. And with your cash management account, this card, you can use this card anywhere. Also, it has no foreign transaction fees, no any other kind of fees, but you can use this card at any ATM worldwide, and it will reimburse your fees. Last year's on my 2 months overseas, I was reimbursed like $60. That's a whole share of a certain dividend stock that I buy. So I got that all reimbursed to me. It's worldwide, and you can't beat that because you're definitely going to need an ATM card when you do the Nomad lifestyle, because not everywhere I travel to takes credit cards, so you have to have cash. It's the same for the brokerage account. I transfer it out of my brokerage, the dividends out of my brokerage and into my cash management account. That way I can keep track of it a little bit, because if you were to spend a little bit more than what you have in your cash in your brokerage account, it's going to take it out of some of your stocks, and I don't want to do that. So anyway, these three cards I think are a must for any Nomad on Fire person out there. Like I said, I use Fidelity. I use it almost religiously on every transaction that I do in one way or another. So this is just me telling you what I do. I'm not recommending you use Fidelity or get any of these cards. But if you're going to travel, they're all very beneficial. Okay, that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.